What is importing? Well, importing is the process of moving learning content from one course into another. It's a very easy process to do, and we'll do a short demonstration, but some things you should know before importing. Your courses will be available to you as a blank shell 1 month before the official start date. You'll be able to start building that course, including importing any course content anytime afterward. And your course will be available to students 1 week before it officially starts. To copy an entire course, you'll follow these general steps. Import into the course you need the content in, and update the course settings and delete the duplicate announcements forum. After logging into Moodle, go into the course where you'll be importing the content. This is the new course, and in most cases is only going to include a single announcements forum. Clicking on the gear icon in the upper right hand corner of your screen, you'll select Import. If you have more than 10 courses, it will give you a message that there are more than 10 courses and only the first 10 are being displayed. You can always search for other courses if they're not listed here by using the search bar at the bottom of the screen. If a course is more than 1 year old, it most likely is no longer on the live Moodle server, and you'll have to access the Moodle archives to access the course content. The course I want, however, is listed on this list. I'll simply select it and click Continue. Since I want to bring over all of the activities, including any kind of questions in the question bank, I'm going to leave all of these boxes checked and click Jump to Final Step. A green progress bar will tell you how far along the course is in the import process. Oftentimes, you'll find the quickest connection on a wired on-campus connection. You can complete the import over Wi-Fi on campus or at home, but just be mindful that it may take longer if you have a large amount of content such as videos. Click Continue after the import is complete. You now see that this course has all of the content from the previous course included. After the import is completed, you'll notice that there are 2 announcements forums. By turning your editing on, which you can do by clicking the pencil on the very top of Moodle, or from the gear icon by clicking Turn Editing On, go into the announcements forum and select Delete. If you've already sent something from the announcements forum, make sure that you are duplicating the blank announcements forum and select Yes. That is how you import all contents from one course into another. If you're looking to import just an individual item, we do have another video for that on our YouTube channel.